Welcome back to my channel. It's Meki K, and today we're doing another fashion DIY. So actually today's fashion DIY is going to be very different from the one that I did last. Of course it's gonna be different. What I mean is that this one is a no sewing DIY, so you won't be needing a sewing machine if you want to do it. I'm gonna be refashioning my worksuit trouser. Here's my trouser. I'm gonna be refashioning it and giving it a new look. It's gonna be a very simple DIY, and trust me, you're gonna love it. And if you do love it, don't forget to subscribe below for more videos. I know you guys might be wondering why I am wearing a galvanized chain around my neck. I bought it and it's gonna be part of my DIY project. I know these kind of chains are used for so many things, but I'm gonna be using it for fashion. Yeah, let me show you guys how it looks like. It's long and it's not heavy. It's not heavy. Here it is. This is gonna be a fun and interesting DIY for you guys, and I can't wait to do it. Let's just get right into the video. The first thing that I'm going to do here is I'm going to grab my nail polish and use it to coat my chain because I don't like this color, you know. Yeah. Now let's coat the chain with our nail polish. Okay, so finally the chain is lime in color, and you guys might be wondering why I chose lime. It's because I'm going to attach the chain on my below worksuit trouser, and I just think lime is a very cute color combo. So here is my trouser. I am going to cut it and make it short. You can see the scissor, a pen, and a ruler. Okay, so this is how the short finally looks like. You can see that I didn't fold the edges, I didn't stitch them. You can see that I didn't do anything about them. So guys, I'm trying to make as many summer fashion DIYs as I can before summer hits. I hope these DIYs are gonna be like really helpful to you guys, and maybe you're gonna try them. Okay, so the final step here is to attach the chain on the short, but I'm not gonna be showing you all the steps of how to attach the chain, because you can just attach it however you want. You can just play with it, and I'm just gonna be showing you guys the end result. I hope you guys had a lot of fun with me doing this video. I had a lot of fun, guys, because it was like my first time doing such kind of fashion DIY, and it was so cool. And if you still wanna see this kind of fashion DIY videos, comment below and tell me what you want to see me do. I might really use some of your ideas, guys. Okay, if you guys want to connect with me on social media, all my socials are at MekiK. And don't forget